Hi student, my name is Muhammad Irfan and you are watching my YouTube channel. Today we discuss about the trigonometric identity. How can we solve this identity? Take left hand side is equal to 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta. Multiply it 1 square minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta. We know that 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. So left hand side is equal to cos square theta, which is equal to right hand side. The second identity is sin theta plus cos theta over cos theta is equal to 1 plus tan theta. Take left hand side, which is equal to sin theta plus cos theta over cos theta. Separate both terms, sin theta over cos theta plus cos theta over cos theta. These same terms cancel each other. The result is sin theta over cos theta plus 1. We know that sin theta over cos theta is equal to tan theta. So put the value of tan theta plus 1, which is equal to 1 plus tan theta, which is right hand side.